Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? First I want to say happy St. Patrick's Day. And so today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and it's called Coco by Patrice Marciano. And it's considered a snack size. And basically a snack size is just another way we call very, very small painting. And they're great for traveling, they're great for gifts, and they're great also for when you're in between paintings. So if you're working on a big painting and you just need a little break from that big painting, you could work on a small painting. Okay, and the great thing right now, guys, is that this one is actually 50% off right now. I believe it's $9.99, but it's out of stock right now. So all you have to basically is just click on the enter your email, and they will basically let you know when it's back in stock. Okay, so this one is a square diamond drills, and like I said, it's called Coco, and it comes in a beautiful small box, very shiny, and in the back always tells you the instructions step by step how it works, and then what's inside the kit, and it's in English, French, and Spanish. Okay, so what do we know a little bit about Patrice? Let's see if I can open this. This is an older painting also. Patrice does a little bit of everything. He is a painter. He also likes to take pictures, photos, and he loves to sculpture, and he loves fashion. He loves the movies. So he does like a little bit of everything, you know. And also he has, I believe, 20 paintings, and one is Zebra, Pop, Panda, Marilyn Monroe. Okay. All right, so it comes with always with 2 stickers. This is a small sticker, and you can either put this in your logbook or you can put it underneath your box. So if you pile the boxes one on top of the other, you will know that this painting is Coco. Okay. So since it's an older kit, like I mentioned, so it's going to have the older kit, older toolkit. All right, so let's open this baby up. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today here in Texas, it's actually chilly, guys. Okay, now all the square paintings usually come with a tweezer. Okay, and the tweezers from Diamond Art Club are very, very sharp, and they're awesome. All right, this comes with a blue pen, diamond pen. It comes with a comfort grip. You basically slip in here. Let's see if I can do it. Sometimes I struggle with it. Oh, there you go. Ooh, that was easy. Okay. And this is good for your hands, and if you have arthritis, you know. Okay, so let's put that aside. Comes with resealable bags, just in case you don't have the containers with you and you're traveling. You could put the drills in here. Okay, so this comes in handy. And then, of course, it comes with 2 waxes. And all the waxes, guys, has a plastic covering. See? So make sure you peel the plastic, because the first time that I ever tried diamond painting, I was just doing this. I was like, what the heck is going on? And then I figured it out. So it comes with 2 heart-shaped waxes. It comes with a placer, and I think this one is, it says 4. And of course, the tray. I love these little trays. All right, so let's put all this aside. All right, and then of course, look how cute this is. This is tiny. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. And what do I say? Do what makes you happy. All right, so let's open this baby up. So there goes the drills. Should have the, yep. So here's the step-by-step instructions. Okay. Thank you for your purchase, tips and tricks, and etc. That comes in handy. Here are the drills. And by the way, Diamond Art Club, the drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. All right, and it always comes with a sticker, and it says Coco. So just in case you separate the drills from the painting, you'll know that these drills belong to that painting. And here's the big sticker. So Coco by Patrice Marciano. Then you put down their start date, the end date. It tells you it's a square. And here are the individual pre-cut stickers, so you can put these on your containers. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is such a big painting, guys. I don't even think I'm going to be able to hold it in my hands. Let's see. It is so tiny. I think this is the smallest one, actually, that I've ever seen from Diamond Art Club. Wow. This is actually, guys, 6.7 inches by 6.7 inches. So it's 17 centimeters by 17 centimeters. So I'll bring it up. See, it always has the picture at the bottom. There it is, 6.7 by 6.7. It tells you the name. It's Coco, Patrice Marciano, Diamond Art Club. Okay, and then in the middle, it's basically it tells you where to find them: Facebook and Instagram. Take 10% off your next order. And then you have, so tiny, the lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cashback rewards for every order. All right. And look at how gorgeous it is. It's tiny, but it's powerful, guys. It's bright, it's bold, it's beautiful. Okay, and this one is so tiny that it actually has only one legend, and it tells you the legend, tells you that it has 33 colors. And then in the middle is the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting, and of course the color code. And by looking at this, it has no ABs, but doesn't mean that we can't not add ABs, right? All right, so let's see, what do we see? We see, I believe her name is Coco, and she's wearing a very bright blue hat, and it looks like she's covering, the hat is covering her eyes, and that is a mystery. Why is she covering her eyes? We don't know. And so you can see she has beautiful big lips and a very color, it's like a pink color, pink purplish lipstick, very nice. And then you can see, like, I love what they did with her hair. So it looks like a watercolor painting also. Very, very cool. So you got pinks and purples here, browns, and a little bit of red and greens in here. And of course, in the outside, around the painting is just white. What would you do? Would you put ABs on this? I think I would, probably on her lips. Yeah. So this is absolutely very, very pretty, guys. And it's very, very clear, as you can see. All right, so let's see the colors. We said there are 30, actually, you know what? 33 colors for that little painting. That's amazing. All right, so I'm just gonna lay them out and I'll be right back. All right, let us begin. 154 is grape, very dark. Can you see it there? Yep. 165 is moss green, very light. 300 is mahogany, very dark. 400 is mahogany dark. And 699 is green. 700 is green bright. 718 is plum. I think we can fit one more in here. Let's move this aside. 741 is tangerine medium. 742 is tangerine light. 743 is yellow medium. 744 is yellow pale. And 745 is yellow light pale. Excuse me. 782 is topaz dark. And 783 is topaz medium. I needed some water and I left it downstairs. Sorry. 820 royal blue very dark. 823 navy blue dark. 890 pistachio green ultra dark. 906 parrot green light. No, parrot green medium, I'm sorry. 907 is parrot green light. 915 plum dark. 938 is coffee brown ultra dark. 939 navy blue very dark. Oops. 963 is dusty rose ultra very dark. 995 is electric blue dark. And 996 is electric blue medium. Okay, these are the last ones. 3371 is black brown. 3607 plum light. 3608 plum very light. 3609 Plum Ultra Light. 3819 is Moss Green Light. 3841 Baby Blue Pale. And 3843 is Electric Blue. And I believe this is just considered white, 5200. Okay, so these are all the colors. Can you see them all? So like we mentioned, we said it's 33 colors altogether. So we have lots of blues, lots of yellows, and lots of pinks and greens. All right, let's move them aside. And I was gonna say let's bring out the ABs, but we don't have any ABs, so it's okay. Like I said, we could definitely add ABs to this. And that's about it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And like I mentioned earlier, happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye, and thank you very much. Take it easy.